Last week on 3 Things at 3 was a hot cocoa commotion. Not only did we try out some delicious hot chocolate recipes, but we made some darling home decor that shows off your love for hot chocolate.
That's right, and you can display all of last week's projects on their own, or you can combine them together to take your hot chocolate night to the next level.
So click the link below and see what you have been missing, and find these hot chocolate recipes on our website. They are to die for.
Also, be sure to catch 3 at 3 live every Monday through Thursday at 3 p.m. Mountain Time on Facebook or YouTube.
It's called Chocolate on a Hot Day.
This show is at the center of a community of like-minded people, and we talk about everything quilting, sewing, and your creative lifestyle.
So join us for a week of deliciousness and so much more on 3 at 3, where we always have something to make you smile,
Something to learn.
and something to discover.
Let's go.